Hello everyone, welcome to Figma Tips and Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about the pagination, how we can create the pagination component for the table or any other like a frame. We can create the pagination component. So this component is very easy to create in few steps, or you can say just in 2 steps, and it will work properly. You can see here in example this is the pagination, and here this the last next is getting disabled, and here the previous one is disabled while it is in first page. So clicking on the second, it is coming to the second page, third page, fourth, and the last one. So let's see how to create this pagination component. So for creating a pagination component, first we have to create the table in auto layout, and the second one important step is we have to signify, or we have to specify some of the table row, how many rows you want to show in a page 1, then page 2, like this. So if you look at this example here, I have this all table row which is getting hidden, and then remainings are showing here. So I have specified some of the rows, like 1 2 3 4 rows are showing here. You can make it 10 rows, 20 rows, as per your requirement. And then you can create the boolean variable, in a previous video I have shown how to create the filter. The same method is here also. So here you can create the boolean variable, and you can assign the values to this all row which is related to page 1, and then for the page 2, page 3, and page 4. How we can do this? Here is the row. So in appearance you can see here we have assigned the page 1. Same way here, page 2, page 1. So these all 4 rows you can select together, and you can in a appearance you can assign, or you can attach this variable like a page 1. And once you move to this all row which is related to the page 2, and then remaining page 3, you can see. So you have to attach this variable, and then you have to give the interaction. Just 2 step. One, you need to create the boolean variable, and then second you have to give the interaction. What is the interaction here? Just page 1 will be true and remaining all false. Same method which is applied for the filter. The same way here in pagination. So once you have done with this, page 1 we have given, page 2, here page 2 will be true, remaining all false. Same way for page 3, page 4, and here this next. So next is once you have done this all, you can create the component. So come to the component part, and here you can see I have created the button which is having default hover, active, and disable. So here as we know, we are in a page 1, so previous will be disabled. So here I have given here the disable. So this is already we have given the interaction in a front page, so here interaction is given here for this. Same way for till 4 we have given the interaction. So once we have given the interaction, and now the next and the previous. So next will go to the one step back, so it is in 1. So next we'll go to the one step forward, so you can attach with this, means you can link with the second variant. So same way in previous, this will go to the first variant, because here 1 is active. And if you look at this is going to this variant 2. The same way for the next, you just select this and it will get forwarded to the 3 to 4. So it is linked with this. This is the easiest method to create the pagination. This file is uploaded in Figma community, so you can take it easily. And the previous video which I have created regarding the filter, so you can see this, the same method is used here also to creating the boolean variable. And once you have done with the boolean variable, you can assign this variable in appearance. And here one more step is there which you have to categorize, like in the pagination also we have categorized those things. So this file is also in Figma community, you can download it. And yeah, here also you can see the boolean variables are created here and assigned with this link or attach or assign, anything you say, with this row in appearance, like here YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and later you can keep the interaction. So same trick for the filter and the same trick for pagination. So you can create any of the table with both component, means you can provide the pagination control, you can provide the filter control in your table in a easiest method. So for today, thank you very much.